You guys are going to want to stick around till the end. Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another edition of Tool Tech Tuesday. Tonight we're talking about cleaning products. For a number of years now, I've used the same cleaning product. I do that for a reason, because it's readily available here in town if I would happen to run out. That product's called Super Clean. Most of you guys know, if you're walking down the aisles of Walmart in the automotive section, you can find this product on their shelves at a reasonable price. This is available at Walmart here in town. It's available at most of the auto part stores, O'Reilly, Advanced, AutoZone. Where I like to pick it up most of the time is Amazon. Believe it or not, Amazon has Super Clean products. Super Clean actually has a store on Amazon that you could go and purchase this stuff from. And today's day and age, everybody's busy. That is awesome to be able to just one click away on Amazon if you have the one-click purchase available, and it's to your door within just a few days. So this is the original product right here. This is a Super Clean multi-purpose cleaner. This is available from the 32 ounce. Had to check to make sure. Spray container, clear up to 250 gallon tote. So if you want this in bulk, they can accommodate you with a 250 gallon tote. I use quite a bit of this, from everything from cleaning my engine bays to undercarriage to my son's race bikes. One thing that you do want to be careful of, a lot of the products, or a lot of the parts on my son's race bike is aluminum. So you're going to want to do some test areas to make sure this isn't going to dull or harm the aluminum surface in any certain way. On their website, they do have some dilution charts if you want to go on there and check that out, to be able to tell you how to dilute this product for whatever application that you're using. This is one of the main products that I use, and this is the original multi-purpose cleaner from Super Clean. One of their newest is the same multi-purpose cleaner, but it's available in an aerosol. Does the same thing as this. It's just in an aerosol can. Same thing, make sure and test an area before you just go at it. The bad part about the aerosol, it's not able to be diluted. So you will want to make sure and not leave it on any surface at any given time for a very good length of time. Just make sure that it's not going to harm the surface that you're spraying it on. So if you guys want the availability of the aerosol, these are both available at Walmart or Amazon. Another product they have now that you can get is their wheel cleaner. There again, test areas. I can't stress that enough with any of these type of products, is do a test area in an inconspicuous area. I had to think about the words I'm trying to say. You always want to try that first before you just start spraying it on there. Well, the guy on YouTube said I could spray this on my wheels and clean them up. No. Try it before you just go spraying it on everything. So, like I said, just make sure and try it on an area before you just start spraying it on some of the wheels. Today's wheels are very expensive, and they got some pretty high dollar finishes on them, whether it be chrome, aluminum, painted aluminum. Just try it on an area just so you don't ruin your brand new $5,000, $3,000 rims. Another product they have is their foaming cleaner. This is the same thing as the multi-purpose cleaner. It's just a foaming style. I've used this a couple of different times on engine bays, and it works phenomenally. It really eats the grime off. I had to do a couple of applications just because that engine was extremely dirty, but it worked phenomenally well. I got some video clips I'll put on of spraying this on the engine. I had to do 2 applications on that, but it come out beautifully. I do have another video clip I'll put in there also of using the multi-purpose and the spray, the aerosol on my son's race bike, and it did a phenomenal job cleaning that one up.
They also had this aerosol degreaser in there, so we're going to give it a shot on my son's bike. We just got back from the races yesterday where he did 2nd place overall for the day, so congratulations to him. He did a great job. But after time, we get some wax buildup from the chain wax and the oil, and then it's also caking over on the sprocket and on the rim. So we're going to spray some of this new aerosol degreaser on there and see how it works. All right, we got everything nice and coated. We're going to see how long we need to let it set on there and then spray it off and see how it works. All right, it just says allow it time to work. It doesn't really give a specific time, but it also says do not let it dry. So he's going to spray it off and see how it looks. All right, you remember what it looked like before? That's just one application, and let it sit on there for about 2 minutes or so. Just be sure not to let it dry. And it cleaned everything off pretty good, just with one application. There's still a little bit of stuff right there, but for the most part, not bad.
Last product I have that is available is some floor absorbent. I have not used this product yet, so I cannot give you an honest answer on how well it works, but if it works as well as the rest of the products, then I'm sold. It's about the same as 15 pounds of clay in this little container right here, so it will absorb quite a bit of spilled liquids. I'm really anxious actually to try this out. I have a lot of floor dry that I use if I spill oil or something like that, but I think from the time being, I'm going to be trying this stuff. It's a lot different makeup than what your normal oil dry is. It's almost like a sawdust powder versus the grit and stone that regular oil dry is. So looking forward to trying this out on some of my spilled areas or the messes that I make. Some of you guys might be wondering why this would be a tool. I consider it a tool because I like to have things clean when I work on them, or before I work on them, I like to clean things up. I don't want to have grease covered from head to toe when I go in the house, or have to wear 3 pairs of gloves and long sleeves working on something because it's greasy and grimy. I do clean everything up usually before I work on it, just because I just don't want to be covered head to toe in grease and have stuff stuck underneath my nails and around my nails and everything else. Call me prissy if you want. I just like to have things clean when I work on it. So if you guys get a chance, check out Super Clean. I'll put a link in the description for Amazon if you guys want to go there and check it out. Otherwise, you can pick it up at Walmart, O'Reilly, Advanced, AutoZone. Any of your auto part stores are probably going to have this on their shelves in their cleaning section. Or like I said, if you guys are doing your shopping at Walmart, go back here to the automotive section. They have it on the shelves back there. All right, if you guys have managed to stick around for the last 5, 6, 7 minutes, however long this video is, I'm going to give an aerosol away and I'm going to give a multi-purpose away. There is a link on my Instagram. Go on there and like it and say, give me Super Clean, or I want to Super Clean, or send me some Super Clean. At the end of 4 days, 5 days, we'll call it 5 days. I'm gonna take all you guys, gonna put you in a hat or on my app that I have for random name picker, and we're gonna pick one of you guys, and Super Clean is gonna send you guys some product. You're gonna get an aerosol and you're gonna get a multi-purpose cleaner. So like I said, Instagram is right here. It's Chad_Meyer73. Look for my Super Clean post and like it, comment on it, tell me you want some of it, and your name will be in the hat to have some Super Clean sent to you guys. So with that being said, that's pretty much all I have. If you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.